Welcome to Bright Beginnings, a program for educating the parents of young children. This is a 10-modular program and includes information, activities, and resources that will lead to emotionally and physically strong children and families. You will find tools that will help you to raise happy kids and connected families. Some of the things you will learn include what to expect as new parents, how to create a safe environment for early brain development, what it means to have a great attachment relationship with your child, children's best physical development and emotional intelligence, and so much more. For the complete program, it is important to order the handouts available for each module. These are available by emailing bcaresforkids@gmail.com. We hope you find Bright Beginnings to be a rewarding and helpful tool for creating healthy, happy kids and families.
Our children are our most precious assets. In the current economic and social times we live in, it is often the case that caring, loving parents must work during the day and need childcare for their children. What is the best possible childcare program for them? The National Association for the Education of Young Children has established these guidelines. A high-quality early childhood program provides a safe, nurturing environment that promotes the physical, social, emotional, and cognitive development of the child while responding to the needs of the family. Check into your state's guidelines for operating a licensed child care center. Here are the type of child care centers most commonly found.
Center-based programs. Many states provide for group care in schools, churches, and private buildings called child care centers. Children are in groups with children of similar ages, and there is a ratio of adult to child supervision. This ratio varies from state to state. Check out your local ratio. Many states offer the option of providing care for several unrelated families of children in providers' homes, ages infant through school aged cared for together. There is usually only one provider and a small group of children, and they may be more flexible and less expensive. Many states set guidelines for the ratios here. Then there are group child care home facilities. Again, the child care is found in a home, but there are 2 or more adults and more children. This type of daycare closely resembles a center, but with many aspects of home-based care mixed in.
Your children have particular needs, and you want to find the right environment for them. Here are some of the reasons why picking the right daycare is so important.
Good early learning experiences are crucial for brain development. The type of daycare impacts young children. 2/3 of moms need to work. Quality childcare is important. This is a very important decision as you want the best for your child.
Again, from the NAEYC, here are some things to look for.
Group size, teacher-child ratio, parent-teacher communication, developmentally appropriate curriculum or play, teacher training.
Remember, the younger the child, the smaller the group should be to maintain a calm, nurturing atmosphere. The more adults that are in attendance, and again, depending on the child's age, the more attention that each wee one receives. The NAEYC recommends 1 adult per 3 infants, and many state standards recommend 1 adult for each 3 or 4 children up to 2 years of age.
Parents need to feel welcome and involved in their child's daycare. This helps them to bond and trust with the caregiver, which extends to their child. Activities and guidance should be age appropriate, and check out the educational background and certifications of the caregivers. So what makes a great caregiver? Definitely look into their educational background, especially for child development training. But also remember that great teachers are not just educated ones, but talented as well. Experience in childcare is also important on their resume. Check out the activities and the environment they have in place for the children. It should be interesting, challenging, inviting, and appropriate. A good caregiver will respect kids, and this is seen through listening to their ideas and working with them in a caring, positive manner. Good caregivers will help children use their words to express feelings and solve problems. Watch for caregivers who are partners in play. They understand better your child's developmental level. Involved, passionate caregivers can help children overcome difficulties and take them to new levels of social, cognitive, verbal, emotional, and physical development.
What should you look for in the actual physical environment of a great daycare center?
The setting should be safe and healthy, with all the furniture, equipment, and toys clean, in good repair, and age appropriate. Make sure the children-teacher ratio is a good one, and obtain a list of licensed facilities from your local county health program. Make sure the location and cost is doable for your family, but quality is the most important component. See if there is funding available to ensure the best care. Take a look at the walls of the center. Are kids' words, art, stories, photos on display? These all suggest a sense of community and a respect for the children being served. The activities your child will be engaged in can give you a sign of quality. Are different areas of the daycare facility providing different activities? Do they seem age appropriate? Are they interesting and inviting? Can a child express herself individually while performing the activities? Great activities are ones that are area active, hands-on, relevant, promote independency and exploration. Developmentally, appropriate care is an important dimension of quality child care. Age appropriateness refers to the universal, predictable sequences of growth, as well as the individual child's needs. It is about their physical, social, emotional, and intellectual needs, and teachers need to be aware of these factors with the children on a group and individual level. A good daycare helps track each child's development.
You should feel confident, comfortable, and secure in your choice of daycares for your child. Take a look at your handouts for this section. There are several excellent checklists to help you find the perfect daycare for your child.